I have a device for you today that will help you enjoy the confidence that comes with smooth skin, allowing you to wear what you love without having to worry about unwanted hair. Yes, you can achieve a full body smoothness in just 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I cannot wait to share this device with you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Alegra Chetti, and today we're diving into something that many of you have been asking me about, and that is the dermrays Silk Pro at-home laser hair removal device. The device that I have for you specifically today is the V8S laser from dermrays, and this is for skin tone 1 through 5. Now, if you're tired of constant shaving or the pain of waxing, this device might just be the solution that you're looking for. Many of you have shared with me that, like myself, you have struggled with those ingrown hairs and rashes and bumps from shaving. Many of you have also asked me if it's true that the dermray will offer you salon quality results in the comfort of your home, and you want to know, does it really work? Now, this device that I have here that many of you have DM'd me about and are wanting to know more about is a laser at home hair removal device as compared to other devices on the market, which are generally IPL devices. But since this one from dermrays is laser powered, many of you were wondering, what is the benefits of this and is it worth the investment? So I'm here today to share with you my results after I've been testing this device for over 30 days. But first, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have the dermrays Silk Pro laser hair removal device, a power adapter, a user manual, and a drawstring bag. There is no protective eyewear included in here because with dermrays you do not need to wear eye goggles. And so that is the first indication that we have a laser hair removal device that is truly different than what's on the market. Now, the reason that you do not need to use eye goggles with this device is because since this is a true laser and not IPL, the dermrays laser offers precise energy control, reducing side effects, and it has an invisible light that protects your eyes, so there's no need for goggles. Whereas with other devices that are IPL, there is a visible light that can hurt your eyes, so you do need to use goggles with other devices. But again, not with this device from dermrays, and you will have no need for eye goggles because again, that invisible light is protecting your eyes that this device employs. This device also ensures minimal thermal damage to your skin, so it's a painless treatment where an IPL will damage your skin and it will feel hot and hurt, but again, not with this device from dermrays because it does use laser technology. So that's what makes this really special. So a lot of you have asked, how exactly does the dermrays actually work? The dermrays Silk Pro uses advanced technology to target hair follicles and reduce hair growth over time. This method is safe for most skin types. Just make sure to always check guidelines, but it offers high energy laser hair removal and it's loved by 97% of users. So that's really awesome. This dermrays laser hair removal uses a concentrated light beam to precisely target and permanently disabled hair follicles, addressing the root cause of the hair growth. Compared to IPL, this dermrays laser hair removal is more efficient, reducing the need for unnecessary repeat treatments and allowing you to enjoy smooth skin for longer periods of time while eliminating the hassle of ingrown hairs. And who doesn't want that? It can offer up to 100% hair reduction in 8 to 12 weeks, and in just 15 minutes you can do a full body treatment on yourself, and you can do it on your face, your underarms, your legs, and your bikini line, and you will have smooth, hair-free skin in no time. So how exactly do you use your dermrays? Setting up is super easy. You just simply plug in your device and choose your desired intensity level. There are 6 different levels to cater to different skin types and skin tolerance, and they always do recommend starting at your lowest level if you're just a beginner, but I always start at the highest level and it's never hurt me, and I have very sensitive skin. So now I'm going to demonstrate exactly how I use my dermrays, and I do use it on my face, on my underarms, on my bikini area. You just want to make sure your skin is clean and dry and previously shaved, and then glide the device over the area that you want to treat and press the button just to deliver the light pulse. And you want to make sure and move it slowly to make sure you cover all the areas for even results. And it's just so simple and relatively painless compared to other methods out there. I find it to be pretty painless. And now for optimal results, consistency is of course key. Just remember that everyone's hair growth is different, so results may vary person to person. So then you always want to do a patch test too on a small area to ensure that your skin reacts well to the device. And many people do like to exfoliate beforehand to help the light to penetrate better into their skin. And then don't forget to moisturize after to keep the area and your skin hydrated if you'd like to. But I personally have sensitive skin, so I skip that step. Now let's quickly go over some pros and cons to help you decide if this device is right for you. What are the pros? Well, it's easy to use at home. It has that laser technology that provides long-lasting results. It has adjustable intensity levels. It's cost-effective in the long run compared to going into salon for treatments. It has this 4-time larger treatment window than other laser devices, so you can cover more area quickly and do more hair removal just much more quickly because the window is so large that is emitting the laser. It's going to efficiently hair remove your hair at the root. You're going to have fewer and fewer ingrown hairs, which is so amazing. You're going to have long-lasting results. Your skin is going to be so much smoother. It's going to save you time and effort. It is FDA cleared for effective use, and it has 30 million flashes for long-lasting use. And of course, there is no eye protection needed, which is so great as well. And it has more energy than the leading IPLs on the market. And this laser is primarily absorbing the melanin in the hair root, ensuring that every pulse is utilized for 100% hair removal. And it's super effective, it's powerful, it's precise. I love that it offers zero pain and maximum comfort. And this also does have a cooling system in here, so it keeps your skin comfortably cool and just feeling amazing. So you're not going to have any pain or any burning sensations, and you're just going to have a really comfortable experience. And then there's no additional button pressing that you need to do during the treatment. You actually just press it and it will continuously pulse on its own, which is so amazing. You can relax and kind of just do your laser hair removal treatment and just not have to worry about continuously pushing the button. So this ensures effortless use. And say goodbye to inconvenient salon trips. Enjoy salon-like results at home. And because you don't have to go into the salon anymore, you're going to save so much money in the long run. So super amazing to who doesn't love to save, really, and to be just comfortable at home doing it whenever you have time. You don't have to get a sitter. You don't have to go out into the cold. It's so amazing. But some of the cons are that results can vary based on your hair and skin type, and it may require multiple sessions for notable results, and it's not suitable for everyone. So make sure you check your skin tone and check the guidelines to see exactly what they recommend for your skin tone and your skin type. After researching online, I found that this device has gotten so many positive reviews, with even Vogue magazine saying that unlike other options that use IPL technology with a diffuse light effect, this one uses a diode laser that penetrates deeper into the hair follicles where it really needs to be to stop hair growth. And Harper's Bazaar said just a single touch activates the diode laser, which has adjustable energy levels along with a cooling feature to minimize irritation, so you can get expert precision during your treatment. So that was so awesome that Harper's Bazaar and Vogue really loved this device. Another review that I read online, someone had mentioned that they had been using this for over a month and they used it every other day on their face and neck, and they said it significantly had reduced their hair growth. So their hair growth had slowed, and so they were able to go longer between shaving. So they said that they were really excited about the device, and I know I also love that. For me, because I have very dark hair, this device really helps me to just go longer between shaving and just keeps the bumps away for me. So that's why I really love this device. That's what I really love about using at-home laser hair removal devices, and this one from dermrays is no exception. It is painless, so that makes it also definitely worth the investment. So overall, I think the dermrays Silk Pro is an excellent option for anyone looking to simplify their hair removal routine. Just remember, consistency is key, and it might take some time to see those fabulous results. And I know for myself, I do not have 100% hair removal, and it's because of my hair type and my hair color. but I do get amazing results. I feel so much more confident in my skin, and just even in my bikinis, and just, you know, even when I want to wear dresses. I used to have rashes under my arms from shaving. So there were so many things that held me back because of shaving. So using laser at-home hair removal devices has been just such a game changer for me. I could not recommend them more. And so yes, for some people the hair does grow back, but it grows back thinner. You can shave it. It also grows back, you know, before I was having to shave almost every day. Now I can go, you know, maybe twice a month, or even sometimes once a month. So that is so awesome. I'm saving so much money on razors too. So that is unbeatable, because those razors, I was having to use the really pricey razors, and those were at least $20 for a razor. So because any other razor really irritated my skin, so I had started buying more expensive razors, and those were, you know, they were doing better. They really were helping with the rashes and the ingrown hairs, but it wasn't as good as when I started using the at-home laser hair removal devices, because this just totally makes the whole area that you're shaving so smooth. There's no redness anymore. There's no inflammation. Your skin is so smooth. It's just such a wonderful thing for us to be able to use. If you can get one, I could not recommend it more, especially this dermrays device is really, really worth it. So overall, I think that the dermrays Silk Pro is an excellent option for anyone looking to simplify their hair removal routine. Just remember, consistency is key, and it might take some time to see those fabulous results, but you definitely will get them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Have you tried the dermrays Silk Pro yourself? Let me know in the comments down below, and until next time, take care and stay beautiful.